For the past 2 decades, Cameron Schoepp has made work that compels viewers to reconsider the familiar. Whether sculptural forms drawn from everyday life, like hats, benches, or rugs, Schoepp's treatment raises them from their utilitarian reference points to objects of aesthetic and philosophical consideration. He often combines and arranges these so that they create spaces of their own, a new kind of space that obliges one to consider it, and one's own presence on different terms. For Nasher Public, Schoepp has created Twist, a loop of industrial chain suspended from the ceiling on a motor. The motor turns the chain, at first very slowly, incrementally increasing in speed, and slowing again to a stop, in the span of a 12-minute cycle, which begins, again, after a brief rest. At rest, the chain reads as a line. The line becomes a loop that broadens as it picks up speed, drawing a 3-dimensional volume in space. When the motor stops, the chain gently twists and untwists upon itself until it comes to rest, and the cycle starts again. The subtle beauty in the shifting form of the swinging chain belies its inherent danger to the viewer, which the artist both highlights and ameliorates with the metal stanchion on the floor. The stanchion gives the chain a safe perimeter in which to turn, but it is on wheels, suggesting that the protection it provides the viewer can change too. Twist grew out of the pandemic and underlines a number of its effects. A sense of threat it engendered, the abrupt and constant shifts it brought to the foundations of our lives, upturning one's sense of stability and safety, and the way it forced one to slow down, which often resulted in taking note of the simple beauties around us.